Welcome to the Coastal Craft Film channel. Today I will be unboxing this RENPHO Smart Tape Measure. Since it's the new year, I will be starting a healthy goal, and this would be very helpful. So I already have the RENPHO weighing scale. All you need is to download this RENPHO app. So this is for the weighing scale and this is for the Smart Tape Measure. You just have to input all your measurements over there. And let's open this up. I have the older version for this one, the oval shape one, and this one is a newer circle or round version. So this is the back of the box. Your full body analysis: neck, shoulder, chest, waist, abdomen, hip, biceps, thigh, calf, and there you could do unlimited users. So just like the weighing scale in your account, you can add your kids or your husband in the account and also take their measurements, which is really nice. So it syncs automatically with the RENPHO Health app, and you can also just scan this QR code to download the app. So let's open it. Okay, so here is the Smart Tape Measure. I hope it comes with a battery. So here we got, yes, it does come with a battery, and then it comes with a manual. I'll just show you briefly how it looks like. Here you go. Here's the manual. It says here, save measurement button, power button, and unit button. Install the battery. It's pretty straightforward. There's the overview. So let's install the battery right now. Oh, you need a screwdriver to open it. I got myself some Phillips screwdriver here. This one didn't fit, so let's try the smaller one. Just remove the button cover, the battery cover. I think this is a CR2032 battery. Open the battery compartment. Here's the battery. Just putting it in the middle. So here's the battery. Let's put back the cover. Okay, so right now I have this thing on. It says here, press the button for power button. That's the power button. Turn it on. And here's my phone. It says here, your Bluetooth device is not paired. Let's try click to proceed. Oh, you actually have to install RENPHO Health. Is that the right app? So don't be confused. On the website, on the like a Google Play Store, there are two versions of the RENPHO app. I have the older version. You can install this newer version, which is called the RENPHO Health. So in the RENPHO app, you would have to go to device, and then you would have to add the device over here. So this is the tape measure. It says you enter the battery, turn on the phone's Bluetooth, which is already on and pair with the device. So let's turn this on. There we go. It's already detected it, so let's add that. Now it's added successfully. So let's see here. Recent data. So let's snap this back. So now if you click on your neck measurement, for instance, and you pull this tape measure, let me see. If you pulled it that far, you'll see that it shows here 14.64, which matches that. You can confirm it if it's the right measurement. So it's easy as that. You confirm it and save it and proceed with the next step. And when you're done, let's see here. You can retract it like this. It's very straightforward. I hope this video helps, and I got this at Amazon. I'll link it in the description. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.